guys, if you're hearing any background noise, that means my washing machine is working right now and I have a lot of dirty clothes. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway guys, I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm gonna give away, I think this is my first time giving away a LUT, which is pretty much for you photos and videos. I usually use LUTs for my videos in Adobe Premiere and Davinci Resolve, and I created this LUT while I was editing one of my friend's video just for fun really, and I thought, you know, the look was really nice to me, and I just generated that LUT, and now I wanna give away. But before you jump to the description and click the link and download it, let's actually review the LUT and see how it works and how you can actually get benefit from this LUT completely. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump to Adobe Premiere. Alright guys, so here we are in Adobe Premiere. I've already edited the video, so right now is the final touch, which I'm going to apply the LUT that I'm going to give away in this video. So I'm going to creative section because I don't usually, input LUT here because I cannot really decrease the intensity, but with creative you can actually do that. Maybe it's too much, so you just have to decrease the intensity if you want. So I'm gonna go to browse, and once you downloaded the LUT, you will find it. It's kfcube.cube. The cube is the format of the LUT which will work in Adobe Photoshop, so not only with videos, it's also compatible with photos too. So import, and you will have this look. So basically this is before, after. As you can see, let me mute the music. As you can see, it's pretty nice. I mean, it's already pretty nice, but to make it better, to make it to fit with the videos you have, for example, in my case I'll adjust a little bit. I'll add some temperature, some warm temperature, and because I shot with S-Log profile picture, I'm gonna add some contrast around 70 something. Around 65 would be good actually, and decrease the temperature a bit down. Alright, as you can see, I really like it. So this is before, after. See, this is before, after. And usually I create an adjustment layer, so between each sequence I actually cut the adjustment layer, and then I start for example, here is too much darkness. I'll just reduce my contrast a bit, and it will bring back some of the details. So for each cut I use different adjustment, and this is how I work with pretty much every LUT that I use. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope this LUT would be helpful for your videos and photos, and I'm so excited to announce that I'm gonna be releasing Koda Film LutPack very soon, and this is only one of the LUTs. So imagine you get around 15 to 20 LUTs with all different varieties of cinematic, mood, and colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like these type of videos, me giving away preset LUTs, please go ahead, subscribe for more upcoming videos like this. And also, if you want to support my channel, please go ahead and check out my online store where you can find a lot of preset pack, a lot of really good stuff for your photography and videos. So yeah, the link will be in the description, and I see you in the next one.